While editing this video, I realized I didn't had any intro, so I just took the old t-shirt, wear it, and sat down to do some intro. Anyway, guys, I'm a really big booker. I love to eat food, and I relate my emotions with food, and I'm not at all apologetic for it. And I love food. I experiment with food. My friends really know that. But anyway, I just tried today a really amazing Dutch food. Amazing Dutch food. There's nothing much in Dutch food. Our Indian food are so complex, but Dutch food are just ooh. Salt, pepper, you're good to go. Anyway, I hope you really liked it. I tried to give you some recipes too. Let's see. To begin with, they just start their morning with some mueslis, suki saki. Mueslis, nothing great in that. It's a pre-ready-made food, and they add some coconut milk. They say it is coconut milk, but nothing tastes like coconut milk. I'm from the land of coconuts, and I really know how exactly the coconut tastes. Anyway, they just add some frozen berries, and then later some fruits. I try to, make it Instagram worthy looking food, but let's be honest, I really suck at it. So I just end up eating the beautiful cereal, and it just looked like this. Lunch? Yes. So, Dutch lunch, guess what they have? Bread! Dutch people at least eat 6 to 7 pieces of bread every day. So, yeah, in a pan, I just took some oil, I fried some carrots, and since I was really hungry, I just added up some onions, tomato, and they eat meat. Since I don't eat meat, I just added some tofu. The meat is really compulsory for Dutch food. You really see few people not eating meat. Anyway, I just added some white pepper, some salt, some black peppers, and to top it up, I just added some avocado. They just directly add it on the bread, but I like this way, and then I smashed it. And in a bread, I just added a lot of mayo and another type of mayo. Mayo is their holy grail, water, and some, eggs, and the mix I just made and pressed the bread. So that was the basic sandwich. But the thing is, I forgot cheese. How can there be no cheese? No cheese in Dutch food. So I took a slice of cheese and microwaved it for a minute, and that's it. It was delicious. That was true, but I can't eat bread every day. Dutch people usually don't eat snacks, but sometimes they do, and they just have some cracker and the meat again. But this time, a different kind of a meat. But since I don't eat meat again, I just added some meat, eggs, and again a mayo sauce. There are like hundreds different types of mayo sauce when you enter a shop, at least, and then some vegetables they add on it, and any kind of cheese. Here I'm using cottage cheese. Yes, guys, they eat a lot of cheese and cottage cheese, and yeah, it was fine. Since I'm a very big booker, they usually eat one, but I ate three. And also the other type of snacks is bread and chocolate spread, sprinkles, or any kind of thing. It is their holy grail food, bread and a chocolate spread. And chocolate, I never really liked it, but here it was amazing. So it's dinner time, guys. As I said, that Dutch people eat a lot of meat during their day, and usually at night, dinner will be at 6 p.m. Yeah, they eat at 6 p.m. Anyway, they usually eat meatballs with cheese or rice or some white pastas and red pastas. So I decided to try out today white pasta, make it myself with some soggy vegetables and lots of cheese. Yeah, that's typical dinner for Dutch people. So what I decided to is to start boiling some water, adding some pasta. There are nothing much in it. These are brown penne pasta, little bit healthier. Anyway, and I preheated oven to 250 degrees Celsius in a meanwhile to add some potatoes. Potatoes are really important for Dutch people. So yeah, that's me. Hey. Anyway, I just added some oil, salt, pepper. Oh my god, so many masalas. Yeah. And then in a pan, I just spread out some potatoes and heated it up for 15 minutes. It was yummy. You must try that. Anyway, and I just added some broccoli, carrots to soak, and I checked. It was very hot. Trust me, whether the pasta was done or not. So it was perfectly boiled. And then in a pan, I just added some butter, lots and lots of butter. And then I added some powder or maida. It is called in India, but it is all purpose flour. And I tried it to mix it in the spoon. Master chef of me came just into existence, and I tried to make it really, I really tried hard to make it lump free, but it was not going really successful with the spoon. I really tried hard, but then decided to drop it, add some milk, and take a better spatula, and then mixed it really well. And look guys, it is almond milk and literally it is water. Just see, the milk just evaporated. I miss my cow's milk. Anyway, I just added some more of it, and tried to make it lump free. Really struggling. I'm not a chef, but still I really tried it. Then what I did, I just added salt and pepper. Wow, what masalas requirement. You don't need to buy anything. Then I just added cheese again, a lot of cheese. It's really good and it really tasty. And then I drained some pastas. I added those pastas and mixed it really well, and it looked amazing. You can also add some chili flakes, but nope, I decided not to add it, and I wanted to keep it typical Dutch way. And so that's it. Some pasta, tomatoes, some soggy vegetables, and potato. Looks yummy. And then I added my style, onions and ketchup. So yeah, since they have a really early dinner, they usually end up drinking milk around 10 or 9. So even I'm trying to have a glass of warm milk. It's about time to sleep. I hope you really liked today's video. I was just experimenting some Dutch food. I hope you like it. See you guys next time. Bye.